Hello there. Welcome to Alien Tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to take screenshots on Windows. There are three ways to take a screenshot. Press print screen button. Then you can select the area, whichever you want to take a screenshot. Then it's done. Second, just press Windows button and write spinning tool. Then you can select the area, whatever you want, whichever you want. Then ta-da! You're done. You already got the screenshot. Third one, with keyboard shortcut. Press Windows key, Shift and S, then select the area. Then you can take a screenshot. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comments, and of course, share to your alien friends. See ya there.